Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my minimal no foundation makeup routine. I've been loving this look lately, so I definitely want to share it with y'all. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below telling me how much you enjoyed, as well as subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post new content. None of the pretty girls want to miss out, so the pretty girls always subscribe. You cannot forget to follow me on all my social media. They're always listed down below: TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. If you follow me on Instagram as well as spam me over there, I'll make sure to spam you back. So show me love in the likes and comments and I got you right back, babe. If you want me to know that you came from this video specifically, comment any other color heart but pink and red, any other color, and I got you, okay? I will know that you came from this video. I'll show you some love. With all that being said, let's get straight into this video. It's giving egg. It's giving potato, with the smoothest potato you done ever seen in your life. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly fill in my brows. When I do this, I usually focus on the ends of my brow. And because my brows are done, my brows really don't need too much work. If my brows weren't done, I would probably define them with concealer when I'm done filling them in. But my brows look fine to me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my sparse areas. Now on my eyes, I'm not putting any shadow. Once I do my skin, that dark kind of color of my eyelids are gonna look cute, okay? Trust me. But because we're not doing nothing on the eyes, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a pair of wispy lashes. You can apply mascara if you want first, but if you get your lashes close enough to your lash line, you won't need mascara. So I'm just gonna apply the lashes. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, we can get into the skin. And I feel like lots of times these minimal makeup looks are very subjective to girls with clear skin. And my skin is not the clearest, but it's not bad at all, but it's just not the clearest. And I sympathize with the other girls whose skin might not also be the clearest. So what I'm gonna say is, if you have like basic scarring like this, go ahead and take a concealer and spot conceal. Just tap a concealer the same color as your skin tone on top, and blend out the edges with your finger. Do not use a sponge, it'll take up way too much coverage. Blend out the edges with your finger and it'll melt into your skin perfectly, especially if your skin is really well moisturized like mine is right now. It'll do the trick. Well, that's what's worked for my skin in the past, because I've done this look even when I did have acne. And the only thing I really did is parts where my breakouts were really bad, just tap some concealer on top. Now for me, I have a little scar right here because I popped a pimple the other day. So I'm just gonna go ahead, tap a little bit concealer on it. Ooh, let's make sure this finger's dry before I cream contour. Boom, and it's gone. Now we can apply this cream contour on top. To cream contour today, I'm using my black opal foundation stick. I'm just gonna apply that right here. I'm gonna take some and apply it down my nose bridge with this brush. Next, it's time to kind of highlight the skin and bring in a little bit more structure. So I'm taking my e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Yeah, we got it down packed. We know names and all that. I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna apply some of this underneath my eye, right here. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with a dense concealer brush. Put it on my whole mustache area because I do indeed have a mustache, and I feel like that cancels out some of that hair and that shadow and cast we be seeing. So I like to put it on my whole mustache area. Mustache. Now, because I want a little bit more brightness to the skin, I'm taking the same concealer, just a shade lighter. This is a medium sand. I'm gonna put in my inner corner and my outer corners of my eyes. And it pinched the nose as well, sis, okay? Now we need a set. So to set my makeup, I'm using my Nye Luxury Banana Powder. I'm just gonna dust this all underneath my eyes. Get set all these highlighted areas. Apply some right underneath where I bronzed my skin. And now we're gonna get a little bit more into bronzing. Okay, this is my Huda Beauty 3D highlighting palette. I love this palette to death. I'm gonna take the shade Aruba to help bronze and also just pat it on top of that cream contour. And I'm also gonna take this shade Bora Bora for blush. So first, let's start off with Aruba, which is going to go right here. Also going to tap some on my forehead. I wish my bonnet and scarf wasn't in the way. But when I'm done, I'll go ahead and fix that. As you can see, for this whole makeup look, I've only used like 4 brushes. Okay, everything is on the minimal side, all right? So that's pretty much it with creams, powders, all that. Now I'm just gonna take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and make sure those powders that I applied melt into my skin. Oh, what the heck? Just gonna go ahead and apply some clear gloss. This is from the hair store. And to line my lips, I'm taking my NYX eyeliner in the shade Brown. And that's it for our makeup. And this is our final makeup and look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, tell me how much you enjoyed, as well as subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post new content. The pretty girls don't want to miss out, so the pretty girls subscribe. You know what to see. If you want to be part of that crew, you know what to do. Oh, you cannot forget to follow me on all my social media. They're always listed down below. That will give you the behind the scenes of every single video. Okay, we got TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Pick which one you want to do. If you follow me on Instagram as well as spam me over there, I'll make sure to show you a whole bunch of love in your likes and comments. Okay, we like to show love where love is shown, so go ahead, show me some love and I got you. If you want me to know that you came from this video specifically, go ahead and comment any color heart underneath one of my most recent photos, as long as it's not something basic like pink or red. Comment any other color heart on one of my recent photos and I will show you some extra love. I got you. With all that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.